was young, it was the time of the classic Gran Turismo. Cars that were elegant and fast. People traveled from Paris to the south of France in style. This was somehow our dream, our Gran Turismo.
When I joined Kia, I said, okay, these cars, they need to drive as good as they look. We have excellent components in the car, we have excellent engineers, but to balance all these excellent single pieces, that takes a lot of time.
Last summer I had the chance to drive one of the first prototypes. We were able to go at full speed, and the car was so stable and it was really driving good, really, really good. It was such a great experience and makes me very confident.
For the Kia brand, the Stinger is an explosion because nobody expects such a car. Not just the way it looks, but also the way it drives. It's a whole different animal.
It takes Kia to another level.
This is one important step in a journey that started several years ago.
It's a special moment in my career, really. We've done a lot of great cars and I'm very proud of all of them, but this is something special.